And India Today presents the first ever ground report from the Indian Army's forwardmost positions in Kashmir, where Operation Sindoor was conceived and executed with surgical precision. Reporting from terrain still scarred by recent shelling, our coverage brings you exclusive insights from the front line. These advanced outposts are not just strategic military positions, they also stand as powerful symbols of India's unwavering resolve and evolving defense strategy.
After the real-time coverage of Operation Sindoor from Uri and the forward locations, we are right now for the first time at the forward location in Kashmir, from where the Operation Sindoor was launched. We'll be showing you the assets, the weapon system, the artillery guns, the air defense guns of the Indian Army that were a part of Operation Sindoor. Not only this, from this forward location, we will also be interacting with the brave hearts who executed Operation Sindoor and much more. This is one of the artillery guns that was used in Operation Sindoor, and we are at the forward location that faces Pakistan, and the distance is just few meters from here. And this is 105 artillery gun that has a range of 17 kilometers. And apart from this gun, there were multiple other artillery guns that were used in Operation Sindoor. This is Ranchandi. So this is very important to understand that these guns are Ranchandi guns. This is how this operator of this gun, this gunner of the Indian Army, is looking ahead in this vision device to see and engage the target out here. And what you see here is the gun display unit. It gives you the actual picture of the target, and you see all these controls. They show you the shell, the bearing, the elevation, the method. So everything is automated. Most modern systems of war are now being used by the Indian Army. This is the artillery soldiers who are preparing to fire on the enemy targets. And after in Operation Sindoor, the 9 terror targets were destroyed, Pakistan resorted to heavy artillery firing on our not only the army posts, but also the villagers out here. So this is the command post of the artillery gun battery, which communicates and gives command to the personnel who are firing the RT guns. So they not only set the targets, they take the commands, and then they communicate to the soldiers who are firing these artillery guns. So this is the integral part of artillery's battery.
We had used the same drills which we had practiced before, and during the operation we put it into effect to target the enemy launch pads in the Lipa and the Neelam Valley.
We are right now at another forward locations at the line of control, and we can see that the ridges, what you see behind me, are line of control and the Pakistan's ridges. And here at these locations, there are the Army's air defense guns that have been installed here. This is the L-70 anti-aircraft gun, which is developed originally by Sweden's Bofors and now manufactured in India under license. So this is the gun which can fire 240 to 330 rounds per minute up to a range of 4 kilometers. And during Operation Sindoor, this has been operational. It has successfully neutralized all the threat that were coming towards India. And you can see the pinpoint accuracy with which it engages the target and neutralizes it is the success of Operation Sindoor. What we see behind us is the Akash Tir system, which has been deployed in the Operation Sindoor. And this has been integrating all the feed that was detected throughout Operation Sindoor by all the radars. And from here, that was being forwarded at all the other locations so that all the aerial targets could be neutralized effectively.
Basically, it collates the surveillance feed of all this theater, presents on a screen and enhances the situational awareness of the commander who's sitting here. So he is able to make a quick decision. This equipment is now battle tested and it has performed exceptionally well in battlefield conditions.
What you see is one of the forward locations and a post of the Indian Army, from where the Pakistani posts are not only visible, but they are also being neutralized using special weapon systems. So this is the most forward army position in the Lipa Valley sector, where India has neutralized multiple terror outfits across the line of control.
इंडियन आर्मी अत्याधुनिक हवाई और ज़मीनी सर्वेलेंस आलों से लैस है, जिसकी मदद से हम दिन और रात हर मौसम में लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल पर चील की नज़र रखे हुए हैं। पेट्रोलिंग और एम्बुशेस से हम ये सुनिश्चित करते हैं कि लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल के पार किसी भी प्रकार की घुसपैठ ना हो पाए।
What you're seeing behind me is the fence check drill of the Indian Army that's taking place here in one of the most forward locations. And this is the location which is just 100 meters away if we talk about the aerial distance. So these are the weapon systems. You can see the mortars out here, the gun systems which are being carried out by these soldiers. What you see here is a rocket launcher here, which is carried by the soldiers of the Indian Army along the line of control. And they have a range that can effectively target any kind of threat that is coming from Pakistan's side. And these has been very effective during Operation Sindoor, where Pakistan was trying to launch attacks on these army positions. It was trying not only shelling, but small arms firing, and also it was firing other weapon systems that were being neutralized using these rocket launchers from India. So Pakistan is now in a severe damage position on this location, across this location, because these soldiers have been firing aggressively after Operation Sindoor, when Pakistan tried to attack these positions on the Indian side. So this is one of the very sensitive zones at the line of control right now, and you see the modern weapon systems that our Indian Army soldiers are carrying, and they use these weapons in Operation Sindoor. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Alok Kumar Das for India Today from Line of Control.